We recently designed an apartment in Gulshan that's the balance of muted and earth tone, rustic yet modern touches. The result is a space that looks open, warm, and inviting. It is ideal space for living and entertaining guests. Our client wanted a family home with an open space and warm atmosphere. From the moment you entered the residence, the tone very calm and comfortable. We set the furniture and decor items in a controlled and uncluttered manner. The formal living has a comfortable elegance while wooden furnishing sets a rustic vibe. Designed a base shelf in here to give a visual interest. The shelves are decorated with minimal accents and greenery. Since the room is quite neutral, we gave a pop of color by using wall painting. Family living is perfect for the family to sit and enjoy their time together. The dining area is right next to the family living. We wanted to make the sitting more intimate and cozy, so we filled one of the walls with framed photograph of family. The rustic vibe is added with distressed wooden ceiling panel on the dining area. The formal living is separated from the family area with a sliding glass door partition. The biggest challenge for this interior design of the space was to blend the color flow throughout the apartment. It is necessary to cater to each member's demand for their own rooms. So, our goal was to keeping the earth tone present in every room and introduce few bold color in the bedroom according to the member's preference. Personalized touch was given to certain sections such as the vanity area, study table and closet. What is truly unique about this project is every piece of furniture was made from scratch by Zero Inch Furniture, a concern of Zero Inch Interiors Ltd. Our main aim with this design was to create the perfect amount of detail to personalize each space while staying true to modern, uncluttered look that our client preferred.